topic. Yes, it's our length and distance. First, let's understand what is length and what is distance. Length is used to measure the part of an object. For example, the length of a rope, the length of a pen, like that. For relatively small objects, we use the term length. Distance is used to measure the space between 2 points. For example, if someone asks you what is the distance between your home and school, you want to mark the home as your one point and you have to mark the school as your another point. And you have to measure the distance between them. Did you understand the length and distance, friends?
Now let's go to the next part, unit. What is the unit we use to measure length or distance? We can measure the length of an object by using hand span, forearm length or footstep as the units of measuring length. The length of hand span, forearm length and footstep of different persons is different. It varies from person to person. So these are not standard units of measuring length. A unit of measurement which has a fixed value which does not change from person to person or place to place is called a standard unit of measuring length. Here, the standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Whether a meter is used by one person or another person, whether the meter is used in one country or another country, it always represents exactly the same length. The symbol of meter is M. Another term you need to know here is prefix. 3 common prefixes used here are kilo, centi, milli. For kilometer, the symbol is km. For centimeter, the symbol is cm. For millimeter, the symbol is mm. The very small lengths are measured in millimeter. For example, in tip pencil, you can find the term 0.7 mm. That mm refers millimeter. Next, the length of small objects is measured in centimeters. For example, pencil or a notebook, like that. Next, the unit meter can be used to measure the length of a table or a room or a height of a tree. Okay? Here comes the most awaiting unit used very frequently. Any guesses? Yes, it's kilometer. The distances between 2 cities are very large. The large distances or lengths are measured in a big unit of length called kilometer. Now let's come to the conversions of the units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. These conversions are very useful while doing maths calculations. Next, most common devices used for measuring length is ruler, measuring tape. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Next video, until then, bye bye.